Foxes would head straight toward the penguins and brutally kill dozens of them. This kept happening every single year until only 4 penguins were left alive. Then, a local farmer, whose sheepdogs protected his chickens, decided to send one of those dogs to guard the penguins. That year, the foxes were so intimidated by the dog that they never dared to attack, and not a single penguin was killed. After that, more dogs were specially trained, and now they protect the entire colony every year. Thanks to them, the penguin population has made an incredible comeback, growing to nearly 200.